Hey guys, I just wanted to put a quick video on here so that you know where to find the information for our classroom if you didn't get the email. I didn't get the email that you got, but I'll show you where you can find it on my screen. So if you go into usd402.com, it's going to look like this. And then if you click on Parent Resources at the very top, right here, there's a link right here for continuous learning activities. Click on that. And then go to the middle school. And then click on 7th grade. Now in this, you're going to want to click on the top link that Mr. Rivera made. So double click on that. Or you can click on the one underneath it. That one might open directly. Now on this part right here, you're going to want to click on the download button right there. And then after it's downloaded, you can open your document like this. Okay? So this is what you're going to be doing every day. If you go down, you can see, let's see, what day is this? There's our questions for tomorrow, and then the next one is, here's our Zoom meeting links. It should still work as a link, but if not, you can copy that and paste it into your URL browser up at the top. So I hope this helps you guys. I know that some of you are having trouble viewing the video. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Sometimes different accounts will not let you get on YouTube if you have parental blocks or whatever. You can always use Hangouts with me too. It's in your email, and it's called Google Hangouts. It's kind of like just messaging back and forth. You can do that. I hope this helps you guys. Everybody's on the system right now, so it might be a little bogged down. So it's okay if you can't see anything, but there's just another way to get to it. I'm also going to try to get that link and have it posted in our classroom somewhere. I'm trying to figure out how to keep it at the top of the page for you guys. I miss you guys. I hope you're staying home and staying safe. Please do that. And I will see you on our Zoom meeting on Wednesday. Please email me with any questions. Bye.